So this is the ICSLMPS. You want to feed it via a 6 amp MCB. Just into the top you've got live and neutral. Then out the bottom you've got CT1, CT2 and CT3, with positive going to the left and negative to the right. You get one CT clamp included in the box. It's got a little arrow on it and you want to point that towards the direction of the consumer unit. So we're going to put the CT clamp on an installation now. So you want the arrow facing the direction of the current flowing towards the consumer unit, so towards the meter. So all you do, wrap the clamp around the mains tails, you'll hear an audible click, and that's the CT clamp installed.